Levi here, the Outdoor Cowboy, and welcome back to the Outdoor Cowboy YouTube channel. Today, we're going to be talking about my favorite campfire treats and snacks to make. Here we got a delicious s'more, can never go wrong with them, and we got 7 more on top of a s'more as well. So stay tuned for some awesome recipes and some great ideas for you and your family to make next time you're sitting around a campfire and just having fun. So got some awesome recipes coming up. They're super cheap, super easy, fun for kids to get involved, and just delicious. So let's jump into it and saddle up for the ride.